Hi friends. Now let's get into more fascinating, more challenging application of an operational amplifier with virtual short concept, that is solving a differential equation. Solving a differential equation is equivalent to saying that we are given with a differential equation and we are supposed to find which value of x will satisfy this condition. So that's what we need to look at. So as an example, let us consider that we are given with a third degree differential equation. So x third derivative plus a3 second derivative of x plus a2 first derivative of x plus a1 times x plus a naught make equal to 0. So instead of writing this way, we can write the highest derivative with unit coefficient on the left hand side and all other things rearrange on the right hand side. That means minus a3 x double dot minus a2 x dot minus a1 x minus a naught. What next? So let us assume that x triple dot is available with us. This let us integrate. So integrating this, we get x double dot. This let us integrate. This will get us x dot, and this let us integrate again, which is going to give us x. So what all we were requiring? X double dot was required, x dot was required, x was required. So we have all the three available. Now we make them sum up with the appropriate coefficients. So this is a1 times x, this a2 times x dot, and this a3 times x double dot. So there is a negation here in the adder circuit as we have seen. So that's going to make this negation as it is, and we have one more, which is the constant a naught. So what's it's going to do is a1 times x negated, that means minus a naught minus a1 times x minus a2 times x dot minus a3 times x double dot is what available here. What is this? This is what we had on the left hand side, that is x triple dot, and that's where we had started. That means this point are talking about same thing. So we say yes, they are same. So that makes one loop. So if I assume that I know x triple dot, then I can integrate it and say I know x double dot, integrate that, I say I know x dot, integrate that, then I say I know x, then I add them with these coefficients, and then what I get is, looking at this expression, I understand that this is nothing but x triple dot, which was supposed to be the one which we started from. Therefore, this is getting us x triple dot, and this says this is x triple dot. Then this loop continues to get me the values as per this expression. So, what do you want? Yes, definitely you want to know what is the output, and the output is definitely the value of x. Where is x? X is here. Where is x? X is here, coming from this integrator. So this x is the output. So whatever be the expression given as a differential equation, just take the highest derivative with the unit coefficient and then rearrange them in this form and then keep on integrating, so till you come down to the actual value. That is, you start with the nth derivative, then integrate, you get n minus 1th derivative, then integrate n minus 2th derivative. That way come down, down, down. Finally, you get the actual x. Then add them all to get the right hand side, and then we know that the right hand side is equal to left hand side. So just connecting them is saying that they are equated, and this is going to get you a signal x, which is nothing but solution what we are finding. So this is a wonderful way of solving a differential equation, and this is something like computing, but it is not computing in numbers, it is computing in voltages, and voltages keep varying in analogous form, and therefore this whole system we call an, an analog computation. So that's another wonderful application of operational amplifier with a very wonderful property called the virtual short, because integrators we have uh, done because only of the virtual short property. Adder is done only because of the virtual short property. So anything, any block you look at here is definitely because of virtual short property. Therefore this whole thing can be very conveniently done just because of the virtual short property. Now what is the advantage of working this is each one can be very easily generated. The integrator can be generated just by one operational amplifier, one series resistor, and one shunt feedback capacitor. So we have integrator blocks. Then whatever be the differential equation, yes, you can just put that in this form and keep on integrating, and then this right hand side you uh, get it through a summation circuit with the appropriate scaling, and then the output of the right hand side is nothing but the left hand side, therefore equate them. So that's the simplest way of solving. So you can have any expression here, the same concept is used to create the analog computer. That's one wonderful application of uh, virtual short. So that's it for now. Many more sessions to come. So till then, take care. Bye.